Some people earn money online. Are you wondering how to make it? I know that many of you out there who wants to make money online but don't want to invest money and you want to do it for completely free. All you need to do is follow all the steps in this tutorial and make a move to earn hundreds of dollars. This is a worldwide available strategy. No annoying ads, and most of all, it's absolutely free. You don't need affiliate marketing, social media following, or even skills or previous experiences to earn money online. In this video, I will show you how to earn money online with absolute ease. This is a money-making website wherein you can earn hundreds of dollars in just a single day. You can do this job anywhere in the world. You can do it in your bed, you can do it while waiting for transportation, or in your home as long as you have internet connectivity. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Master. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now, let's get to the video. The site that I came across that's famous now for making money online is cjinc.info. This is one of the best make money online websites. As you can see, create jobs, work online, earn online. And I know many of you will love it because this is available worldwide. If you scroll down, you will see these three people from the Philippines, United States, and lastly, from Australia. These people come in from 3 different countries in the world. Moreover, as you can see below, it says that work from anywhere, everywhere, any place, anytime. And you can see here, market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and lastly, online teaching are the jobs that you can apply for on this website. Now, we will be focusing on the job which is the very easy one, the proofreading. Those who didn't know proofreading, essentially, you correct various errors in a text. It requires more than decent knowledge of English, but this time, proofreading becomes easier. I will show you a free tool to correct all of the mistakes in any article in just a few seconds. So make sure you stay with me. If you have skills in some of these categories, you can also apply for this kind of job. For example, working as a typist is great because you have a decent typing speed. But I'll be focusing on proofreading because I assume that most of you who are watching this video doesn't have any skills for these other jobs. But if you have some skills in other jobs on this website, you can also try that one. Anyways, for us to start as a proofreader on this website, we all need to hop in your mouse over career in the upper right corner and of course, select the proofreading job. On the next page, they will give you more info on proofreading and how much you can earn in proofreading. And as you can see, you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words. For us to apply as a proofreader, just scroll down a little and click Apply Jobs. Now you need to fill in your application form, which you do by clicking on it. And on the next page, you can see that you need to enter some basic information about yourself. Like, what job are you applying for? In our case, we will choose proofreading jobs. And also, you need to enter your name, email address, date of birth, gender, marital status, contact number, country, and current profession status. And then you will choose what hours are you available to work. In addition, you also need to select whether you're comfortable working with either one company or multiple. And the most important is the best way for you to be paid. And you're going to check this box signaling that you're 18 years old and above and agreed on all their terms and conditions. Lastly, you need to mention your complete name as a digital signature, as you can see here, and click Submit. As you can see in the previous pages, this website will send you text samples that contain grammatical errors that you need to correct before you get accepted. Proofreading projects will provide a digitally pre-typed image form or handwritten physical form of articles. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Now this is precisely the use of the tool that I mentioned to you earlier. The tool I want to introduce to you is Grammarly. Just go to Google and search Grammarly.com. I can 100% guarantee you that this tool can help us proofread because I've been using this website for a while now. And there's something special about this website because it's 100% free. And it's one of the best tools out there to correct grammar mistakes in various texts. What you need to do on this page is click Add to Chrome. And now, it will take you to a page where you will add Grammarly as an extension to your browser. Once done, you will sign up. You may also use Facebook, Google, or Apple to sign up or simply encode your basic email address here and click Agree and sign up. From there, they will ask you a few basic questions like why do you need Grammarly for? Once you answer that question, you will be taken to the next page. Grammarly helps you with spelling, grammar, and punctuation. All you need to do is click Continue to Grammarly and it's free. Please take a look at this example. I copied an article from Healthline regarding the best ways to get six-pack abs fast, and I paste it on Grammarly, and boom! Grammarly immediately and automatically highlighted all the grammatical errors, including incorrect punctuations and misspellings. And on the upper right part, you can also see the overall score. The best thing about Grammarly is you don't need to correct it manually. All you need to do is click the word underlined by the red color and click on it here for Grammarly to correct it for you. Now, all you need to do is copy the article from cjinc.info and correct it using Grammarly and send it back to them. And you will be accepted to work as a proofreader. By using this tool, you can proofread thousands of words easily. It means you can earn thousands of dollars without any previous skills or experience, and you can do it anytime and anywhere. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you to not miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a video pops up. This is Online Money Master. Happy earning! See you in the next video.